guys, we're going to open this egg and I kind of accident popped this one. First, I just popped this from here at the arrow. Now let's open the big one first. Yeah! That was a nice one. Whoa, so long. Oh, this kind so long. So long. Let's put this over here. And oh, here. Yeah. Yeah. Hi guys, Mom and Daddy just helped me to remove this. Yeah. See? And the small ones. This is the mess. Yeah. The small one, the tiny. Yeah. And let's do the big one first. Yeah. I think we need to hug this until the line. There we go. It can look like a hat to me or a skirt. Or what? Yeah. It's working. It's zebra or tiger? Oh, let's see. Ooh, it must be that. Ooh, let's see over here. We got this! A tiger or zebra. I think this is a tiger. I just watch this on Avery Ugly. Yep, we moved the horns. Oh, we got silver horn! Just like this golden horn. Yep. Hi guys, her name is Zane, and here's the picture. And you look at this, I just mixed it up. And we're going to remove the sticker. You look. What is? You could look at this. See, I told you. And where can we put this? Maybe here. Oops. Let's get Zing. Now this one. Yep. How? Sorry guys, we just kind of open the paper, all of the eggs. But let's start with this one first. How? Maybe here, yeah. Come here. You look, I think. Oh, what's this guy? There's a purple kind. I'm going to pick this one. Yeah. Ooh, here goes. There's maybe things for scissors. Now we need some scissors. Wait, guys. It would be beautiful. I think she's trying to give us this to make a necklace or a bracelet or ring. And look, an egg and this circle. Ooh, this kind of look like this one. Oops, over here. And what's next, Kaya? Hatch. This one. Yeah. Then maybe let's mix the egg. Put this over here. Ah! Come back here. Now let's do this. It looks cold. I see it. It's over here. Oh, sticky. You look, it's a newborn baby, and look, it's kind of look like sleeping. Is it hunting or just kind of not? Ooh. You look, we have a newborn baby. And the last one is this egg with the golden horn. Ooh, this one. Wait, is there more? Oh, there is. Here's Zing. What just happened? Let's see. Hi guys, here's Zing. It looks like the same. I love it, guys. It looks so cute. And you look, an egg. And do you think there's a heart? Nope. And here's Zing. Plain. Now thanks for watching, guys. Now bye. Thank you for watching, guys.